Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I've got one of the most beautiful Christmas books in front of me right now, and this one was actually created by my incredibly special friend that I actually had the honor to meet in person 2 weeks ago at our in-person class, Cheryl Torbett. She came all the way from Washington to craft with us, and I just feel so unbelievably lucky to have met her. She has made a gorgeous book. She brought it to share with us, and we have like a little show and tell table over there, and look how beautiful. She made a cluster right here on the front. I believe this is a Simple Stories pack, but to make sure I'll leave that info in the description. But look, she put these little rhinestones right here on these flowers. Cheryl, your touch is absolutely fantastic to your books. I just love all the different little creative twists that you do for yours. And look at this little spot on a sentiment, little cut apart, and then she stuck some tags in. Where did you get this beautiful ribbon? This is one of the most beautiful ribbons I've ever seen. And then everything kind of just tucks right inside here. And she did this textured paper. I don't know if you saw that other embossed paper on that last Petals mini album. Oh my gosh, it was just gorgeous. Look at this beautiful oversized ribbon right here. And then here's the back. It's absolutely just fantastic. I can't even wrap my mind around this one. It's perfect in every single way. I just love it. Oh my goodness. And right here, oh, can you believe it? Look at this. She made some alterations to the beginner's mini album design. So I'll leave a link to that class down in the description. If you wanted to make a book like her, this is absolutely gorgeous. We've got a cool pocket here, and she ended up adding some strips and made it into a acetate pocket instead of just a typical pocket. She added her fantastic little enamel dots right around the top there, and then a cute little cluster of flowers in the corner. I just love those little enamel dots. I want to start doing that in my books too. Look at, you got some little cut aparts in here as well. How adorable is this little hanger? I mean, I've never seen that before. She's got gorgeous journaling lines and some stars right here and some picture mat spots. And then look at this precious little ribbon here. I just love it. She tied a little bit of that there and some more journaling lines on the back. This ends up opening up. Cheryl, this is just so beautiful. I love it. She did a banner on the back. Let's go ahead and get a close-up on that right now, because this is just a fantastic little touch into a book. I would have never thought to string a cute little... Sometimes I don't know what to do with those little banners in some of the paper lines, but now I just found out what I could do. She did like a cool little 4x4 spot right here on the back of this picture mat. Little photo mat, little area here. And then fantastic picture space. Look how much she stuffed in here. It's just awesome. This paper pack is so cute, Cheryl, and you used it perfectly. I'm just gonna stick these cute guys back in there. And then you got a nice 4x6 spot right here, nice vertical. She's got a sentiment right up at the top. She did some journaling lines. Oh, I love it. And then she's got a little ephemera piece. It looks like she even inked around her edges just a slight bit there. Oh my goodness, just beautiful. Some more enamel dots in the corners. I love how it just kind of spices it up a little bit. And right here, vertical, this is a total beginner's album, so it's great for 4x6s if you have a recipient that just wants to plug and play and not have to crop anything. This is a great design for that. You actually put some chalk marker journaling lines right down here. What a great idea. Straight onto the design paper itself. I love it. And I think this is an additional flap here. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't made this book in such a long time, but look how cool. The customization is just absolutely limitless. I love these little stickers, Cheryl. Oh my gosh, more journaling lines on the back, just fabulous. Again, she made that into an acetate little frame pocket right there, and another beautiful little cluster of flowers. I mean, can we just, are those the cutest things you've ever seen? Some more journaling lines there, another vertical little area for pictures here, and it just goes on and on. Look, oh yeah, little tuck pocket to keep this flap closed. More goodies in here, but wow, look at this little cluster of flowers at the very bottom. I've never thought to do that, and that's just such a great idea. Are these brads? I think she added some cute little brads on here too, and then double backed this piece of cardstock because it's real thick. What a great idea to kind of use some color and pop around some textures. I love that. Look how much she fit in here. I love it so much. I love how you kind of switched it up too. Some 4x4 spots instead of everything being for 4x6s. The customization is just, I just love it. So many different renditions. And speaking of renditions, we've got an album challenge going on in the app community. I'll leave that link down in the description as well. If you want to get your mojo back. I mean, we have so much fun over in the community. And just being able to be in person was just an absolutely phenomenal experience for me, because normally everything's online, and I just had so much fun meeting you, Cheryl. Oh my gosh. And we filmed a podcast episode together. I can't wait to edit that. And look how cute this hanger is. I can't get over it. I have never seen a paper clip like that before. That is so cute. And this ribbon. is divine. Such a classic, traditional vibe that it's got. I love it. And these wood veneers you stuck here, right here on the base of this pocket that you transformed into an acetate frame, is just beautiful. More stuff in here, and again, she's got that beautiful banner going on. More picture space, journaling, cut-aparts, anything you want to do here. Cheryl, you're just amazing. You're just amazing, and I've never seen this been done. Look how gorgeous. This might have been an ephemera piece, and she added some acetate on there. I wonder if it's open at the top. It is. You could tuck a cute little picture in there. That's a brilliant idea, Cheryl. I love it. I never knew what to do with those little thingies, and now you totally gave me an idea. That is just fantastic. So much inspiration from this. Thank you, Cheryl, so much for coming all the way from Washington. It was an incredible experience to meet you and hang out and craft together. And also, thank you for allowing me to share your books with everybody. I know they're going to get so much inspiration from your creativity. I'm giving you a nice big hug. And thank you, everyone, so much for joining me just to hang out and go through Cheryl's book together. The next album I'll be putting out will be a brand new class, so I'm excited about that one. And I'll see you soon.